And today I'm super excited to try out this rolling grill basket sent to us by one of our subscribers. And we ask you every time, what do you want to see next? And someone sent this to me after watching our meat candy video. So we're going to put some vegetables on the green egg today inside this basket and get that delicious smoky flavor on them. So actually look, it's two rolling baskets, and they come with handles. So we're gonna slice up some peppers, some squash, a couple of zucchini, and some mushroom and get them in the basket here, and we'll put them on the gate. So we got our rolling grill basket full of peppers, mushrooms, squash, and zucchini. And now it's going on the egg. All right, folks, we are about to pull this off. We are going to try our new basket. These vegetables actually shrank down quite a bit. And look, they are awful. They're smoking. We got the vegetables. We got squash, zucchini, and mushrooms. This is a hit. We're going to plate these up and enjoy them. So thank you for the subscriber who sent us the rolling grill basket. All right, let's try these vegetables. They're still warm. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I think this is going to be a hit. Super.